So everyone works with data at the individual, professional, department, company-wide level, even a personal level. How you use data is one thing, and what you want to get out of it is a different thing. We at Virginia, we've been very lucky in working with data since the inception of spreadsheet, literally since 1979 using VisiCalc. We've worked with different kind of companies, large, medium, and small size enterprises across many different industries, helping them leveraging the use of spreadsheet in the day-to-day operations. We have designed our own competency-based framework comprised of 9 different competencies spreading over 4 different course levels. This course is about the first 2 central competencies in data analytics and specifically in Excel. The first one has to do with massaging data, and the second one has to do with reporting, analysis, and dashboarding. Let's talk about the first one. Massaging data. Data can and will come from different sources. It is often the data unorganized, noisy, and unstructured. Your ability to perform your work effectively is predicated on your competency in cleansing and massaging the data. In this competency and within this course, you will be able to utilize in excess of 51 tools, formulas, and techniques, allowing you to push the envelope on how you handle data. How do you massage it? How do you bring it from an unstructured phase into usable data set that you can produce reports from? Once I'm finished with this competency, then I hand over this clean data to reporting, analysis, and dashboarding. In that competency, we use pivot tables. If you think you know pivot tables, I suggest you think again. Competency 2 will equip you with 19 different rules broken down into 3 fundamental building blocks. The first one has to do with designing reports, the second one performing the analytics, and the third one producing the dashboards. Once you know the 19 rules, along with the 51 plus rules or tools and formulas and techniques in massaging, you are well on your way to developing, designing, and producing business reports, performing analysis, and creating dynamic dashboards. We look forward to welcoming you to Virginia Institute courses.